Imagine everything you know, every star, every planet, every atom in your body, coming from a single, tiny beginning. No lights. No sound. No space. No time. Then boom, the universe starts its epic journey. In this documentary-style video, we're going to travel billions of years into the past and across mind-blowing distances to understand how the universe evolved, step by step. This is the story of everything, told in simple words, easy English, and a chill American documentary vibe. The Big Bang, where it all began. About 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began with an event scientists call the Big Bang. Now, don't imagine a bomb exploding in space. There was no space yet. Instead, everything, space, time, energy, and matter, started expanding all at once from an incredibly hot and dense point. At the very beginning, the universe was smaller than an atom. It was super hot, super crowded, and super wild. Nothing like stars or planets existed. There were no atoms. There wasn't even light as we know it. Just pure energy. In the first few seconds, the universe expanded faster than you can imagine. This rapid expansion is called inflation. It stretched the universe out and cooled it down just enough for the next big things to happen. As the universe cooled, energy slowly turned into tiny particles. These particles were the building blocks of everything that exists today. Quarks formed. Then protons and neutrons formed. This was the universe laying down its foundation. After about 3 minutes, the universe cooled enough for simple atomic nuclei to form. Mostly hydrogen and helium. These two elements became the main ingredients for stars and galaxies later on. For the next 380,000 years, the universe was still too hot for atoms to fully form. Light couldn't travel freely. Everything looked like a thick, glowing fog. But once atoms finally formed, light was released. That ancient light is still around today and is called cosmic microwave background radiation. It's like a baby photo of the universe. This moment marked the end of the universe's dark, foggy beginning and the start of structure and order. The Dark Ages and the First Light. After atoms formed, the universe entered a long period known as the Cosmic Dark Ages. Sounds spooky, right? And yeah, it kind of was. There were no stars. No galaxies. No planets. Just huge clouds of hydrogen and helium floating through expanding space. The universe was dark, silent, and cold compared to its earlier days. Gravity, however, was quietly doing its thing. Over millions of years, gravity pulled gas together into dense clumps. The bigger these clumps got, the more gravity they had. This slow process eventually led to the birth of the first stars. These first stars were massive, way bigger than our sun, and they burned extremely hot and fast. When they finally ignited, the universe lit up for the first time. This moment is known as cosmic dawn. These stars didn't last long. Many of them exploded in powerful supernovae. But those explosions were actually a good thing. They created heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, elements needed for planets and life. The light from these first stars also changed the universe. It reionized the gas around them, making space transparent again. This era is called reionization, and it allowed light to travel freely across the universe. In short, the universe went from dark and boring to bright and active. The stage was set for galaxies. Birth of galaxies and star systems. As time passed, gravity continued shaping the universe. Gas clouds came together to form galaxies, huge systems made of billions of stars, planets, gas, and dust. Some galaxies became spirals like our Milky Way. Others turned into ellipticals or irregular shapes. Galaxies often grouped together, forming clusters and superclusters. The universe started to look like a giant cosmic web. Inside galaxies, stars were constantly being born and dying. When stars formed, leftover material spun into disks around them. Over time, this material clumped together to form planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. This process created solar systems. Our own solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago from one of these spinning clouds of gas and dust. Meanwhile, galaxies were not just sitting still. They collided, merged, and evolved. Some collisions triggered massive star formation. Others fed supermassive black holes at galaxy centers. Yes, black holes became a big deal. Almost every galaxy has a supermassive black hole at its core. These giants help control galaxy growth and behavior. The universe was now full of structure, motion, and energy. Stars were cooking up the elements needed for life. Planets were forming. Possibilities were endless. The rise of life and consciousness. On at least one planet, Earth, something incredible happened. Life began. Earth formed in the right place, not too hot and not too cold. Liquid water existed. Chemical reactions slowly led to simple life forms. Over billions of years, life evolved from tiny single-cell organisms into complex plants and animals. Stars played a huge role in this. The elements in your body, carbon, oxygen, calcium, iron, were all created inside stars and spread across space when those stars died. You are literally made of star stuff. As life evolved, brains developed. Consciousness emerged. Eventually, humans showed up and started asking big questions like, where did we come from? What is the universe? Are we alone? Through science and technology, humans learned to observe the universe. Telescopes allowed us to see distant galaxies. Satellites measured cosmic radiation. Math and physics helped explain how everything fits together. In a strange way, the universe became aware of itself through us. The expanding universe and its future. Here's a wild fact: the universe is still expanding. And it's not slowing down, it's speeding up. Scientists discovered that galaxies are moving away from each other faster and faster. This mysterious force driving the acceleration is called dark energy. We don't fully understand it yet, but it makes up most of the universe. There are a few ideas about how the universe might end. One possibility is the Big Freeze. Expansion keeps going forever. Stars burn out. Galaxies drift apart. The universe becomes cold, dark, and lifeless. Another idea is the Big Crunch. Expansion stops and reverses. The universe collapses back into a hot, dense state. Basically, the Big Bang in reverse. There's also the Big Rip, where expansion becomes so intense that galaxies, stars, planets, and even atoms get torn apart. Right now, the Big Freeze seems most likely. But the truth is, we're still learning. Even after billions of years, the universe remains full of mystery. Dark matter. Dark energy. Other dimensions. Maybe even other universes. What's clear is this: the universe is not static. It's alive with change, motion, and evolution. From a tiny hot beginning to a vast cosmic web filled with galaxies, stars, planets, and life, the evolution of the universe is the greatest story ever told. And we're part of it. Every atom in you has traveled across billions of years. Every breath connects you to the stars. The universe isn't just out there, it's inside you. And the story? It's still being written.